Welcome, crafters! Today, I'm thrilled to share one of our most versatile products, the stunning Lovely Garden Designer Series paper from Stampin' Up. Each package contains 12 beautiful sheets, that's 2 each, of 6 double-sided designs. In our generous 12 by 12 inch or 30.5 by 30.5 centimeter size. These exquisite hand-penned florals feature a gorgeous variety of blooms, including hydrangeas, roses, and peonies, all brought to life through these elegant tone-on-tone line art and simple yet sophisticated patterns. We've created this collection in a striking color palette that includes basic black, blueberry bushel, crushed curry, garden green, fresh freesia, and melon mambo. These coordinating colors make it easy to create cohesive, beautiful projects. One of my favorite features of this paper is how perfect it is for fussy cutting, especially with those large floral designs. As you can see in this sample, the detailed florals can be cut out to create stunning dimensional elements for your projects. Whether you're creating greeting cards, preserving memories in a scrapbook, or designing beautiful home decor pieces, this designer series paper provides the perfect foundation for any project. And here's a crafting tip. Be sure to check out the entire Lovely Garden Suite collection, which includes a coordinating 3-piece bundle that pairs perfectly with this paper to expand your creative possibilities even further. Ready to start creating? Contact your demonstrator today or visit stampinup.com to learn more about the Lovely Garden Designer Series paper and the complete suite collection. Happy crafting!